What happens when you crack your knuckles? I don't know. Let's find out. You see, when you do this, you're actually creating a bubble of air. The popping sound that you hear is the bubble of air being released. The reason why it feels good is because the pressure in your fingers is being released. It's like a pressure valve. But some people say that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Is this true? Well, not really. The popping sound itself won't cause any damage. However, if you have a pre-existing condition such as arthritis, then cracking your knuckles will only make things worse. So if you're someone who cracks their knuckles a lot, then I have some advice for you. Try to stop because it could be dangerous. But if you can't stop, then at least try to be more mindful of it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like. Thank you.